السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. This is Hafiz Nazeem. Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is the 12th lesson of Noorani Qaida with Tajweed. Inshallah, in this lesson, we will discuss chapter number 10th, which is about Sukoon or Jazm. So let's start. Sukoon or Jazm. The sign or symbol of Sukoon or Jazm is this. Any letter which have this sign or symbol is called sakin. Sukoon or jazm is the opposite or antonym of moment. As we have discussed that in moment we move the letter, but in sukoon or jazm we stop on the letter. We do not move the letter. Letter which have sukoon or jazm can be pronounced just for one time, not twice. And due to sukoon or jazm, the letter can be joined or connected with the letter before. Like take an example of Hamza ba zabar ab. On ba there is sukoon or jazm, and before ba there is Hamza with fatha. So how to pronounce it? Hamza ba zabar ab, ab. So ba is pronounced just for single time, and ba is connected with the letter Hamza due to the sukoon or jazm, and we haven't moved the letter ba. We stop on the ba. Hamza ba zabar ab, Hamza ba zir ib, Hamza ba pesh ob, ab, ib, ob. So this is sukoon or jazm. Now before starting exercise of chapter number 10, I want to discuss two important sifat. The first one is sifat qalqalah. This sifat exists in 5 letters, which are Qaf, Ta, Ba, Jim, and Dal. These 5 letters have sifat qalqala only when these letters have sukoon or jazm. If these letters have sukoon or jazm, then sifat qalqala exists in these letters. But if these letters have moment or anything else, then sifat qalqala does not exist in these letters. So what does sifat qalqala do in these letters when these letters have sukoon or jazm? So take an example of Hamza ba zabar ab. So ba is sukoon or jazm. Due to sukoon or jazm, the pronunciation of this will become ab, ab. Because in sukoon or jazm we stop on the letter, so it become ab. But due to the sifat qalqala, it become ab, b. So in the last ba, ba sound is created. This ba sound is created due to the sifat qalqala. Ab, ab. Similarly, ib, ib, ib. So in last, the sound of b is due to the sifat qalqala. Similarly, aj, aj. Aj is due to the sukoon or jazm, but in last aj, j. This j is due to the sifat qalqala. Aj, ad, at, ad, aq. So this is sifat qalqala which exists in these letters due to the sukoon or jazm. The second sifat is sifat hams. This sifat exists in 10 letters. The short form of these letters are فَحَسَّهُ شَخْصٌ sakat, which are fa, ha, ta, sheen, kha, sad, sin, kaf, ta. So these 10 letters have sifat hams. Now, how to pronounce these 10 letters with the sifat hams? While pronouncing these letters, our sound should be extremely weak, but our breath will be continue, means the airflow will be continue. Hamza ha zabar ah, ah. So if you just think here airflow is continue. Ah. Hamza sin zabar as, is. Hamza ta zabar at, ak. So due to the sifat hams, the sound of these letters will be weak, but the airflow or breathe will be continue. So this is sifati hams. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Hamza ba zabar ab, Hamza ba zir ib, Hamza ba pesh ob, ab, ib, ob. So this is due to the qalqala. Ab, ib, ob. Hamza ta zabar at, Hamza ta zir it, Hamza ta pesh ot, at, it, ot. In the last there is the sound. This ta is due to the sifati hams. At, it, ot. Hamza sa zabar ath, Hamza sa zir ith, Hamza sa pesh uth, ath, ith, uth. Hamza jim zabar aj, Hamza jim zir ej, Hamza jim pesh oj, aj, ej, oj. Hamza ha zabar ah, Hamza ha zir ih, Hamza ha pesh oh, ah, ih, oh. Hamza kha zabar akh, Hamza kha zir ich, Hamza kha pesh och, akh, ich, och. Hamza dal zabar ad, Hamza dal zir id, Hamza dal pesh od, ad, id, od. Hamza dal zabar ad, Hamza dal zir id, Hamza dal pesh od, ad, id, od. Hamza ra zabar ar, Hamza ra zir ir. Now this ra in ir is light. Whenever there is sukoon on ra and before ra there is zir or kasra, then this ra will be pronounced light. Or ir, Hamza ra pesh or. So ar and or, this is bold and ir is light. Ar, ir, or. Hamza za zabar az, Hamza za zir is, Hamza za pesh uz, az, is, uz. Hamza sin zabar as, Hamza sin zir is, Hamza sin pesh os, as, is, os. Hamza shin zabar ash, Hamza shin zir ish, Hamza shin pesh osh, ash, ish, osh. Hamza sad zabar as, Hamza sad zir is, Hamza sad pesh os, as, is, os. Hamza dad zabar ad, Hamza dad zir id, Hamza dad pesh od, ad, id, od. Hamza ta zabar at, Hamza ta zir it, Hamza ta pesh ot, at, it, ot. Hamza dwa zabar ad, Hamza dwa zir id, Hamza dwa pesh od, ad, id, od. So this is the end of this exercise. Now it is your task to continue this exercise till ha. Hamza ha zabar ah, Hamza ha zir eh, and Hamza ha pesh oh. So please continue this exercise till ha. So I think this is enough for this lesson. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.